Okay, this is how my day starts off here.
Yeah?
Open the tailgate.
Is there a raccoon that... Oh, poop.
Okay, pull it out.
Pull the poop out?
Yeah, pull the poop out. Okay, shut the tailgate. Hold on to the poop. Shut the tailgate.
I can't do both.
Okay, we'll just stand there holding the poop.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna shut the tailgate.
Yeah?
Now shut that.
Okay.
Okay, now put that where you left it. Okay, so here I am. We have to leave the city now. I'm driving through town, and people are beeping and laughing at me, and I thought, well, that's weird. And then some teenagers drive by, and they yell out at me as they pass me, "Bag of shit." So I'm ready to chase these teenagers down and whoop their asses, because no freaking smart ass,
bag of shit.
some lame ass teenager is gonna yell something like that to me, right? And I continue driving down the road, and people are, you know, then the nice people, they're beeping and waving and kind of laughing. Well, this is weird. Anyway, I stop at a few places.
Okay.
Getting the weirdest looks, right? And I ask someone where the post office is, and I pull into the post office, and I'm in, and I'm starting to back out, and this lady flags me down, and she goes, "You have a little purple bag on the back of your tailgate." And I'm like, "What?" And she goes, "Maybe it's a dog poo bag." And she's got this really funny look on her face, like, how icky, right? So I jump out, and the post office is real busy, of course, here. It's like where everyone's at right now.
How come you didn't throw it away?
So, oh no, I had to save that for you. I wanted you to share in this moment.
There's a trash can right down the
Yeah,
road.
yeah,
I'll
walk it.
Put it in it.
Yeah, yeah, you do that,
I'll
Mike.
take the walk of shame.
Yeah, walk of shame.